Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And this test will be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
Yes, definitely. My name is Rajat Margi.
How may I address you?
You may call me as Rajat.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you so much. Okay, where do you live, Rajat?
I live in Himatpura from city Tohana from Haryana state. It is situated in northern plains of India.
That's good. Okay, are you working or a student?
I am student. I study in +1 commerce class.
Now, few questions will be based on watch. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I really like to wear a watch. Whenever I wear a watch, I feel more confident and attractive.
That's good. Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
No, I didn't receive as a gift.
Okay, why do some people wear expensive watches?
In my point of view, some people wear expensive watch as a status symbol and showing their wealth.
Do you think it is important to wear a watch? If yes, then why?
Yes, I think it is very important because a watch can help us in several ways as an accessory, and it allows us to see what time it is and manage our time more easily.
That's good. Now, few questions will be based on cars. Do you think car colors are really important?
Yes, I think car colors are really important because they're showing person's personality and their first impression.
Did you enjoy traveling by car when you were a kid?
To be honest, I really enjoyed traveling by car when I was a kid. I really enjoy spending time with my parents.
What type of cars do you like?
Well, I don't have any specific preference, but I really like SUVs because it provides more leg.
Okay. Do you prefer to be a driver or as a passenger?
Honestly speaking, I always prefer to be a passenger because while traveling, I feel sleepy.
What do you usually do when there is a traffic jam?
To be honest, being a mellophile, I spend my time to listen musics when I was stuck in traffic.
Okay, whenever you stuck somewhere in the traffic.
Yes.
So you prefer listening to music at that time, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so before proceeding further to this interview, here I will inform you that at your IELTS partner platform, we are offering online classes for IELTS for all modules or any single or individual module which you would like to join, be this is reading, writing, listening, or speaking. The number is displayed in the pinned comment or in the description also. You can first book a free demo class and later on enroll in our courses or any single module or all modules. That will be your choice. You can write us or call us. Thank you so much. Okay, now few questions will be based on parks. Did you like going to park as a child?
Honestly speaking, I really like going went park when I was a kid. I really like playing with my friends in parks.
Do you still going to parks now?
Truly speaking, I don't go park right now because in my busy schedule, I hardly found the time to visit the park.
Okay, would you like to see more parks in your city?
Yes, definitely. In my city, there are many parks and very designs very beautiful.
Okay, so you want to see more parks in your city.
Yes.
There are some parks, but you want that there should be many more parks in your city.
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is end of the part 1. I'm giving you a cue card. You have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes, and if you wish to plan your answer, then you can make notes. Okay. Yes, Rajat, you will start speaking now. Time start.
Okay, so to be honest, there are very few people who genuinely connect with the nature and the environment. Here, I would like to talk about my grandfather, who is deeply connected with the natural world and tries always his best to protect it. He is true nature enthusiast and believes human live in harmony nature instead of harming it. He does many activities to look after the world. First of all, He grows plants, flowers, and organic vegetables such as tomato, coriander, and mint.
Mm-hmm.
And he also avoid using plastic bags, save water, and motivated the people around his to keep the surrounding clean. And I truly admire him because he making a positive contribution with the nature.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Okay. So this is the end of the cue card. Now I'm going to give you follow-up questions, and where all the questions will be based on this cue card. Okay, do you think parents should teach children how to protect the environment?
Yes, absolutely. I think parents should teach their children to protect the environment from
Mm.
an early age because children learn habits from their parents. And if their parents encourage them to protect the environment, save water, and plant trees, so children will naturally follow these habits in future.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what laws about the environment uh, more effective in your countries?
In India, several environment laws are effective, such as the government has banned single use of plastic in many areas
Mm-hmm.
to reduce pollution, and people can also fined for cutting trees illegally.
Okay, which do you think people prefer, rewards or punishment when it comes to government intervention in environment protection?
In my point of view, most people prefer rewards because they motivate people in a very positive way.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if government gives benefit to people who recycle waste and use eco-friendly products, more people can help to protect the environment. However, punishment is also necessary for those people who genuinely damage the environment.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, according to you, is it easy for children in cities to get close to the natural world?
I don't think so. It is easy because cities are full of buildings, traffics, and pollution. And in the cities, children spend their times in indoor activities, in mobile games and computers.
What can people do to protect the natural world?
We can take many small steps, such as we should avoid throwing plastic waste in public places and save water, planting more trees, less use of electricity waste.
Is it important to teach students environmental protection at school?
Yes, I think it is very important because school is that place which create awareness among the students, and if students learn about the pollution and nature conversation, they become more responsible in the future.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you so much. This is the end of the test. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Now this is time to give the feedback for Rajat speaking. Today I'm giving 6 band score to Rajat. But in my opinion, in the final examination, especially this type of speaking, what Rajat had given today on this platform, may get 5.5 or a 6 band score. It varies examiner to examiner and the criteria or the parameters how they consider. But here I'm giving 6 band score today. And what are the reasons of this band score? Why not more? First of all, I would like to talk about the criteria part, and then second, I would like to talk about the confidence and the eye contact as well. So, in terms of criteria, in entire speaking, be this was part one cue card or follow ups, the answers were very short. Even in the part one, she did not elaborate well and she did not use starters like honestly speaking, let me start with this, I would like to talk about, or of course, certainly, yes, indeed, no, not really. So there are so many expressions. With them you can start your answer, and in between you have to present some alternative or contradicting ideas with however, on the other hand, but, and you can add some examples also, but in this part one she wasn't played well. And in the cue card she gave me very short answer, though answer was good, but She gave me very short answer. She was not able to elaborate about that person who looks after the nature, who takes care of the nature. And criteria wise, she was unable to use good vocabulary. She did not play well with the grammar, where it is required to use active, passive, complex, compound sentences. She did not play well with those sentences. Pronunciation wise, yeah, it's okay. Coming to the follow ups, in the follow ups though, she was good. Only in the follow ups part, I am quite satisfied, but she could elaborate more in the follow ups also. And if you are having this speaking and speaking like this, so you cannot expect more than 6 band actually. And if you want to get more band score, if you are having this speaking standard and you want to get more band score, then first of all, this is very important to work on the criteria. Second thing, the confidence. In between, she was taking long pauses. I mean, that she wasn't confident enough. Though examiner may be stranger to you, and with in front of a stranger, a person may lack his or her confidence. But be prepared in that way. Whosoever person in front of you, you have to be confident in your entire speaking and smooth. Next, eye contact. In between, she wasn't able to make the eye contact. Somewhere she was breaking this contact, so it is linking to confidence and the nervousness. So she wasn't confident, as I told, and she was nervous. She was rather nervous in this speaking. These are the reasons that I'm giving 6 band score. So I advise to Rajat, and I advise to those candidates who are preparing for IELTS and they are having this standard of speaking. They must work hard first of all on the criteria, and then they need to work upon their confidence. This is very, very important to get good band score. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till, subscribe it, because I generally provide more mock tests. I generally provide more tips and techniques to get good band score in speaking and even in writing as well. Moreover, you can join our online classes for your further improvement and getting desired band score. Thank you.